G'day folks, Kim here from Belvista Studios. We are an end-to-end instructional design and e-learning studio that focuses our work through a human-centered lens. We're really big on that. And yeah, we encourage you to check out the link in the description to explore the things that we share, because as a studio, we are sharing videos like this that we're learning as a studio and having a better impact on our clients and on the solutions that we create for the learners that we serve. So if you check out the link in the description, you get to see the templates, the resources that we have available that we're producing. We use them with our stakeholders, with our clients. And in this video, I wanted to share how you can create a RISE module that looks a bit more like a website. So I'm going to share my screen and just show you an excerpt from a video that, or from a RISE course that we're working on, that we've just stripped it back. I just want to show you key elements on how you can make it look more like a website using full width images in RISE. So this one has a comic book theme. It is stripped back. I'm just going to show you to begin with. Scroll through so you can get a sense of what it is. So you can see that we've got dummy text and our team posing as models, same images over and over, because we just want to focus on the overall essence of what can be achieved. And that's it. So I'll tell you that the stimulus for this module actually came from this video, which is available on Envato Elements. And it's got some groovy music playing. When we presented that as the look and feel, the client embraced it, and then that informed the design that you've seen throughout. So that's why we've got the images that we do have. If I go back to the beginning. Ooh. Can't even use RISE myself. So these images here, and how we've created them is we've got images from the client, but you can see any image has been used because I do feature in the course. And what we've got is there was multiple ways we could do it. In the end, we took photos on our phone, used one of the filters that was available on one of the phones that we were using, and then uploaded them to RISE as full width images. And we're also using Canva to place everything and get it to the right dimension. So if I break it down for you, this here is a full width image. Actually, I'll go into the edit side of it so you can really see what we've got going on. So here we go, full width image, which is one of the blocks standard. Pretty much the whole course is built this way. If I go into the settings, you can see we've got no padding taken off. And that's just because it fits a bit more flush with the design that we've got. What we also have turned off is block the entrance animations, because this here is another full image. You can see it starts there, ends here. And when we have places where orange is drawing attention, white's back to content, and we've got places that break it up. When you have the entrance coming on, it doesn't go smoothly. So we just wanted it to be a flat design. So it's just something to consider depending on what you're designing. But here you can see this is one full image and it ends down here. So when you're designing it, you can think about the end of your image having this white space along here, which then basically makes it less blocky. You can see that the quote is breaking through the standard blocks that we tend to have. These things are breaking through. It just gives more of a dynamic impact and effect. Again, we've got one full image thing happening here that ends here. So in our design in Canva, you're basically what you're seeing on screen is one design, but by using this diagonal line, by having the comic pop out, this person and the comic behind, and allowing that orange to flow down to the end, it gives a look of just movement. It's not stuck into the position. It's not as blocky and squarey and as PDF as you may find some designs can be in RISE. Again, this is all full width images. Again, see how we've done this. I just want to show you one thing as well, which is a good little tip. When you bring it into Rise, we tend to crop it in here. Actually, it hasn't been done for this one, but you can find, I will find one where it has been done. This does help you with, because everyone seems to have that thing, you know, when you like preview it on different devices and your image doesn't show right on Rise. Well, editing it, I'll show you the actual crop space. We find that if you think about where the top of the image is here, about this amount of a gap and same on the bottom equal will help you show the most effective part of your image. I'm going to find a different one though that we can probably demonstrate that better on. It might be this one actually. It is this one. So on this, we had our dimensions, which I think are 1920 by 1080. We export them from Canva. And when we come in here, you can see, look, we've cropped it right down. The reason we've done that is that we only want to see this key part. We don't want too much white space of our image going on. And that's why we have cropped it to the same amount down here to the same amount here from the key point of the image. So that will help you, you know, when it wants to resize. This part here, we're trying to just draw attention. These are dot points. They could be dot points, but we just wanted to bring them in as full width images to draw the eye down using the comic book speech bubble, using this arrow popping out over an image. So it looks like, I'll show you again, it looks like it overlaps into this image, but really it's not. And that just really brings the eye down on this storytelling narrative. And those dot points are achieved by actually telling a story on the way down. I'll go back into the edit for you. So yeah, see how it's a full width image, the arrow on top and cutting out and popping out of a square. These are actually not aligned either. So if we go down, they move out to the right a bit, and that's to also break the kind of blocky look and feel and bring it more into just creating a bit more movement, a bit more space. So nothing is that linear. Again, popping out on the left here. These ones here we're using for scenarios. So comic book, again, we're trying to pop out, break that blocky look and feel. These have been used later in the course in scenario images. So in the scenario block, this is the actual image that is happening. And let me go back and just show you this. I think this is really beautiful. Again, full width image with, I'll just show you what this looks like in here. Okay, so we haven't cropped that, which means that in Canva, we have perfectly created that so that it displays the right way that we want it. We do have padding on that. We always take off enable zoom on image click unless it's some sort of resource or diagram that we want to pop. And this is where I feel like the full width image block is used to maximum impact. I think it's gorgeous. You can see that it comes right out to the sides, storytelling, just beautiful design there. So yeah, I would encourage you to check out the full width image blocks, to use them to make your creations look more like a website and bring your Rise course to life. Thank you always for choosing to learn with us. We really are grateful for your support. For people, there are lots of people creating Rise courses out there. Please share this quick video with them so that they can also lift the industry standard. It helps really push your limits and your creativity when you're creating a Rise course. You can do so many cool things with it. So this is just one element, using full width image blocks to be able to bring it to life more, break the blocky bit that we know about Articulate Rise and bring it more into a website world where things are overlapping, linking together, taking people on a journey and a story. So yeah, please share this video. Please check out the link in the video description and you'll find more resources to help you be a better instructional designer and create better learning solutions. They're the exact ones we use at Belvista Studios. Thank you as always for choosing to learn with us, and have a brilliant, meaningful and purposeful day. What's up, awesome human?
thank you, thank you, thank you on behalf of myself and the Belvista Studios team for continuously choosing to learn with us. We really appreciate it. If the tips and the insights and the context resonate with you and you want to take your skills to the next level, or you want to make your life way easier, you will love our Creator Hub. The Creator Hub is a place for people like you and us. Basically, it's the stuff that we use internally at Belvista Studios, and then we just share it publicly with you. The Creator Hub is created by instructional designers for instructional designers, and what you'll love there at the moment is we've got a quiz, could I be a better instructional designer, that has so much tips in the feedback if you're interested in human-centered design or just taking your skills to the next level in terms of the solutions you're creating and the problems you want to solve. But in there as well, aren't we cute? That's us. But we've got the coaching courses, freebies, give us gratitude, and also we've got some templates. And basically they're always around the lens of learning experience design, instructional design, and e-learning. So a human-centered design focus is very much what we're about at Belvista Studios. So putting your learners at the heart of a solution and creating something for their needs. So there's the human-centered design stuff, and then we've also got the business stuff. So this is the stuff they don't teach you about when you want to become a freelancer or a consultant in the instructional design world. So go check it out. The link is in the description. You can check out everything that is available for you. Thank you for choosing to learn with us. Continuously invest in your skills. You will be rewarded as an instructional designer. Share this stuff, share it with other people, because when we are better instructional designers, we create better solutions that create better humans, that create a better world. So we have a very important role, and I'm excited to be on this journey with you. Have an awesome day.